And see, if you all can see the screen.
Yes,
Everybody can see the screen.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. It's
yes,
visible.
sir.
Okay. So let me start. Yesterday we created the division, and now we'll start creating the storage location. Right.
Yes, sir.
So we
Sir,
got.
sir, in the last class, you have said that the T code for creating a division was OBXB, right, sir?
Yes, OVXP.
But while I'm trying to use this T code OBXB, I'm getting a different screen. So could you please give me the solution, whatever is happening?
/n
O
OVXB.
OBXB, yes.
So this is the division.
Yes, yes.
So what is the problem?
While I'm trying to execute this T code, I'm getting a different screen. Can I share?
No, you don't share anything. We'll get disconnected. I think instead of O, you are giving 0. Check that first. Okay. If you give /n 0 x 0 v vx b and enter,
It
then
is
you will get.
it is P, right, sir?
Yeah, it's /n. You see, I am getting it. /n OVXB.
Actually, I've I've written OVXB. So you are saying OVXB, right? O
V for victory. 1 second.
Yes, sir. OVXB. Okay, I've got that. I've
I said
mistakenly written OB.
OVXB. I said
Yeah,
OVXB.
yes, sir. I've mistakenly written OBXB. So that's why the problem was arising.
Okay, no problem. Maintain storage location. Okay. The next one. SPRO. IMG
S
reference. And
SPRO.
then we come to which is called enterprise structure. Okay.
Definition.
Definition. Then material management.
Material management.
Then maintain storage location. Okay, we click here.
Enter,
So what is the
enterprise.
plant? What is the plant? We have created plant. Somebody tell me the first plant, Taratala.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is the plant? The plant was, can you remember 00 something? 100. What is the plant?
Two, sir. Two, sir.
1002.
1002, sir.
1002.
1002. Enter.
Uh,
So 1002 is the plant. Are you sure this is 1002?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
1 second. /n /n OX10. Position. Okay, 1002. Enter. 1002 is Taratala plant. Write it down. 1003 Mumbai factory, Mumbai plant, and 1004 Ranchi plant. Okay.
Yes, sir.
1002, 3, 4. Okay, let's go.
Sir, once again, repeat the path.
For storage location.
Yes, sir.
/NSPRO IMG. Enterprise structure.
Enterprise structure.
Definition.
Definition.
Material management.
Material management.
Maintain storage location.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so this is the plan. So what you have to do, you have to click on new entries. Okay, and for this plan you have to give a storage location. So where you are going to store, you will go to store at Taratala, right? TRL. Remember, storage location is TRL. Okay, or you can make it BR1. Okay, Taratala. Have a different location also, but here I am maintaining the plant as the storage location, because in the plant you will have a storage location, right? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Save it. customization of Britannia Industries. Okay, now let me go back. Okay, another storage location 1003. Okay, where it is? Mumbai, right?
Mumbai. Yes, sir.
BR2. Mumbai storage location. Remember, BR2. Save it. Okay, now let's go back.
1004.
1004. Inventories. BR3.
3.
Ranchi
Ranchi.
storage. Now remember, this plant can have multiple storage location in different areas. Okay, so if you have made the Ranchi, the plant is Ranchi of Ranchi. Okay, you can have another storage location in a different place. Okay, but it should not be very far from the factory. Then what happens? The transportation cost will go high, right? So that is why. Okay, clear?
Clear, sir.
Transaction code.
Yes, sir.
For storage location, write it down.
Yes, sir.
OX09. Remember difference between 0 and O, huh? So O, X, O will be little fatter, huh? O will be little fatter and 0 will be slim. Okay? Now save it. This is the transaction code OX09. This is storage location. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now as in SAP, whatever you create, you need to have under the company code, you have the purchasing organization, right? When we tried to create the vendor by giving the transaction code, okay, /n xk01, when you gave this transaction code to create vendor, it was asking for purchasing organization. Okay, so one company code can have multiple purchase organization, right? What is the work of purchase organization? Through purchase organization, the company is going to do the purchases, right? So now we are going to create the purchase organization, right? Because if you know, when you go to create PO, suppose you're going to PO /NME21M is a transaction code. Don't write it down, this one. I'll tell you when to write. Okay, so when you create for this PO, you will see purchase organization is a required entry. Right, this is purchase organization. So therefore, we need to create the purchase organization. Clear? Even when you need to create the vendor, you need to have the purchase organization. So now we are going to create the purchase organization. The work of the purchase organization is that it will do all the purchases on behalf of the company. Okay. Now, let me go through the same path. Okay. We have the same path for storage location. Reference IMG. Okay. You go to enterprise structure. You go to definition. Okay. Then you go to material management. Then you go to maintain storage location. Here it is. See, maintain storage location we have done. The next one is maintain purchase organization. The same path. Okay. So click here. So this is the purchase organization. So let us create a purchase organization. You can copy the SAP defined one, copy it and rename according to your, okay? Or you can go to new entries and you can create a purchase organization. I'm keeping the same name, BR21. The code name and the purchase organization name same to identify easily. Okay? So you can write here purchasing organization of BR21. Okay. You can create multiple purchase organization under one company code, and then you save it. Customization of Britannia Industries. Okay, transaction code for this OX08. OX08. Write it down. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Next.
Yes.
So we created the plant, okay, but this company doesn't know that this plant belongs to this company. So now what we'll do, we'll go to and create assign plant to company code.
Company code.
Right? Now the assignment. Now let me go back. Close the path. Same thing, SPRO, and then you go to enterprise structure.
Enterprise structure.
Okay, then you go to assignment. Then you go to logistics general.
Logistic
Okay,
general.
and here it is. Assign plan to company code. This one.
Assign plan to company code.
Okay. Click. You will get a screen like this. So if you want to copy anything, you can copy, or you can go for new entries.
New entries.
Okay. First you give your company code BR21. Then you give your plant. What is your plant?
1002, 1003, and 1004. 3 plants.
1002, 21, 1003, BR21,
1004.
1004. After that, you enter. If everything is correct, data will come automatically. Okay?
Yes, sir.
And then you save. Customization of Britannia Industries. So, assignment of plan to company code. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Transaction code OX18.
OX18.
Exactly follow the steps that I am going. Hello. Okay. The next one. Assign. Write it down. Assign business area. Assign business area
Business area
to plant.
to plant.
Area
to plant, valuation area, and division.
Planned valuation area
and division.
And division.
Right. Okay. Go back. This one. Same part. Aside business area, you have already created business area in enterprise structure.
Yes, sir.
To plant, valuation area, and division. Remember, plant is your actually the valuation area. Remember that. When you ask in MM, what is your valuation area? The plant is your valuation area. Because in the plant, you are going to evaluate your raw materials. Right? So that is why you can see plant/valuation area. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So assign business area to plant valuation area and division. How many business area we have created?
2, sir.
So Rachi was not created, right?
Yes.
Yes.
So what is the transaction code for business area?
OX03.
/n OX 03. So this is the business area. What were our previous business areas? Let me see.
Bangalore, Kolkata.
No, PR. Taratala.
Taratala factory.
Yes. Where is it? What was the code? This business area. Then another one was Mumbai, right?
Yes, sir.
Mumbai or Hyderabad, I think.
Yesterday you all told me of there's Mumbai. Yesterday Arikesh told me there's Mumbai. All missing. No business area available. It will be in B. Start with B. So it will be here straight away. I think business area. Okay, let me create business area. New entries, business area 5001. Okay, Taratala, factory of BIL. 5002, because I'm taking in numeric because you can give the range. Okay, then it is
Okay, sir.
Mumbai, right? Mumbai factory of BIL. And remember all this, 5003. Ranchi, right?
Yes, sir.
Ranchi. Factory. It is not B, make it BR21. Okay, remember 500123.
Yes, sir.
Enterprise structure configuration. Now, let us go back to the same /NSPRO /NSPRO and reference IMG. Okay, enterprise structure. From enterprise structure, you come to what is called assignment,
Assignment.
logistics general. This is assigned business area to plant valuation area and division. Click here.
Yes.
Now you will find a lot of options. So which one to select? This one, plant valuation area and division. Okay, click
Okay,
here.
sir.
Lot of things are there. You can see plan, division, pump, business area. Okay, all these are SAP defined ones. Okay, so you can copy and can do it, but you will have inconsistency. So let us click on new entries. Okay, the first plan. What is the first plan? 1002, right?
Yes, sir.
First one division. Hmm. Hmm. Bread. Okay, BX.
BX.
Okay, business area. Which one will take?
Taratala.
Dadala factory.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then another plant.
1003.
1003. Now division. What is the division? X, Y, B, Y, right? B, Y. B, Y. Business area
5002.
5002. Agar, you can have cakes in other plants also. You can do that also, right? So here what I'm doing, only one type of product, one business area. Okay. This plant can do multiple things. Now, one factory may you can manufacture cakes, pastries, everything. So you can assign accordingly. So 1004 can give BX 5003.
03.
Okay. Then you enter. If everything is correct, the data will come. Bread, chips, bread. I've given bread. See, bread, it will take bread. Your factory में भी bread होता है. Okay. So X, Y. Let us take 1004. Make it multiple. B, Z. Z. Okay. And business area Ranchi.
5003.
Enter. What happens? See, you can always see that in 100 plant, I am manufacturing bread and cake also. Right? So it is possible. That is I've given. Last plant may have taken 2 products. Right? It's not like that. In one factory, you are manufacturing one product. You can multiple. Okay? Okay? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Even customization applicability. Okay? Transaction code, I don't think it will match. Let me see. /N OM J7. Let me see. It's matching. Transaction code, write it down. OMJ7. OMJ7 is the transaction code. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Any questions?
No, sir.
Okay. The next one. Assign purchasing organization to company code. Assign purchasing organization to company code.
और एक बार सर बोलिए.
Assign purchasing organization to company code. मैंने बोला था कि purchasing organization will do all the material purchases on behalf of the company code or the company, right? तो अभी purchasing organization you have created, but the system doesn't know किसका purchasing organization है. So you have to assign it with a company code, right? Okay. /NSERO reference IMG. Okay. Enterprise structure. Assignment. Okay. Material management. You can see here. Assign purchase organization to company code. Okay. Clear? This one. You will get the screen like this. Okay, just mute somebody. Background noise is coming. Mute कीजिए पे. Okay. So assign purchase organization to company code. You have created the purchase organization, but you have to tag it with the company code. So here is no new entries option, only position. Click on position. A pop-up will come, will ask for the purchase organization. Our purchase organization is BR21. Okay, enter. So you can see the screen. This is showing. Now you give the company code. What is our company code? BR21. I have kept the purchase organization and company code same to easily identify. Okay, you can give some other purchase organization also. It can be a numeric also. It can be full alpha. I am giving alpha numeric. And after that, save it. Clear? So you have assigned the purchase organization to company code. Now, this purchase organization is a part of company code. The system knows that. Okay. The transaction code for this is, remember, OX01. O is fatter, X is slim. Okay. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, the next one is assign purchasing organization to plant. You have to tag the purchasing organization with the plant as well. The next configuration is assign purchasing organization to plant. Okay. Go back. Same screen, same path. The next one. Assign purchasing organization to plant. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Click here. You will get a screen like this. Okay. And now you click on new entries. What is your purchase organization? BR21. Right? And what is your plant?
1002, 1003, 1004.
Okay. BR21 means one purchasing organization will purchase materials for all the plant. Okay. Or you can create another purchasing organization. For each plant, you can have a different purchase organization. Okay. That is possible. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Once you enter, all the data will come. And then you save it. So what is the transaction code for this? OX17.
X.
OX17, right, sir?
Okay. Clear? Next, create purchasing group. See, here you have only one purchase organization. In a real life, you can have a lot of purchase organization. One purchase organization purchasing only flour, atta maida. One may be purchasing dry fruits. One might be purchasing yeast or chemical powders, baking powder, right? So in that case, you can create a purchasing group also. Here I will be showing you. Here I have only one purchase organization, and I will show you to create a group also. So next is create purchasing group. Okay. So let me go back to the screen, initial screen. Okay. Now close it. Again, SPRO, and don't touch here. At term, go down. You will find a material management over here. Click here. Once you click here, you go to purchasing. Okay, from purchasing, you come to create purchasing group. This one, create purchasing group. Okay, click here. This is the screen. Okay, and so to click on new entries, you can make it BRG. That's it. And here you write RM purchasing group. BR21. You can give a telephone number 890-12345. Fax number 09876543321. Okay. You can give more phone number. Okay. Oh, this is the extension 123. Normally we have, and then you save it. Okay. The transaction code for this OME4.
OM
E4. It's written there. Clear?
Clear.
Yes, sir.
এমটা কেন লিখলাম?
Okay. Okay. The next one.
স্যার এখানে আরএমটা কেন লিখলাম এখানটায়? আরএমটা কিসের জন্য স্যার?
কোথায় RM? RM means raw material in short. Raw material.
Okay. Got it.
Okay. Next.
Yes.
Define material group. Define material group. Okay. We are going deeper into MM, right? Define
Yes.
material group. Let me go back. This is set. Let me close the path. Okay, so you go to SPRO and then you go to background noise is coming. Logistic General. Kindly mute your microphone, please. Logistic General. Okay, straight away Logistic General. Then you come to Material Master. Okay, and then settings for key fields. Settings for key fields.
Yes.
And then define material groups. Right? Now, new entries. Okay, again, here you can, for the material, you can give numeric. Numeric, if you give, you can give the range. Okay, so you have to remember, please note it down, because I'll not be able to remember what was the number for material group. So kindly write it down. Let us make 0001, first one, material group. Okay, material description. Let us take flour, atta. Maida. Year 21. Real life you don't like this for this what is called BR21, because it's easy to identify. That is why I'm making it here BR21. Okay. You can give a group if you have. Okay, you can also give, what is this, DUW. Okay, this is, I'll let you know. I don't remember full power. These are not required actually. You can write here flour Maida BR21. Okay, then 0002 dry fruits. Okay, 10 00003. Don't think I'm giving dry fruits, flour, maida. For every project it will be like that. No, because Britannia companies is making what is called this beverages like food, cakes, bread, all these things. So that is why. So if you're in a steel manufacturing company, you need to buy all this iron ore, coal, all these things, right? Clear? Okay. Dry fruits, potato, all raw materials, right? Okay. 004. Vegetable oil. We need potatoes for potato chips and vegetable oil to fry the chips. Okay. So these are the material groups. Okay, clear?
Yes.
Indrajit, why is so silent?
No, sir, I'm looking at your screen.
Okay, I know you are looking at the screen. Okay, said. What is saying already exists because somebody is using this number. Okay, no problem.
So we need to change the group.
Make it. I'll try 1000. Let's see. Enter. Yeah. So 000, 1002, 103, 104. Right? Remember, these are the material groups. Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now save it. Okay, have I given the transaction code?
No, sir, you haven't.
OMS. See, if there is background noise, then the recording quality will be bad. You will find a problem when you're hearing the recording. Okay, so kindly keep yourself in mute. Okay.
OM?
SF.
OMSF.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. The next one is maintain company code for material management. Maintain company code for material management. From this point, you will be controlling the posting as a material management consultant. Your sole responsibility that after, for materials, there always will be an audit, physical audit. Okay. The physical audit and the report from SAP, the digital audit will match, right? For that, you need at a certain period, you have to keep your entries close so that suppose most of the companies which I know, the Cafe Coffee Day, CCD is using SAP. Every 25th of every month they close. No material movement. They close. They will check, and after that, again from 1st of next month, they will start, procuring materials, sending to finished goods, coffee, and all those things to the customers, right? So here is the point you control, because as a consultant, you have to, suppose you have not closed the period, what happens? The end user will make entries, then all things will get jeopardized. You will not be able to come to the conclusion, right? You are doing the audit, at the same time somebody is taking the materials. What will happen? You will not be able to finish it up. So that is why it is a very important configuration where you control your postings in material management. Okay, let me go. Let me close this part first.
Sir, tell the maintain company code.
For material management. SPRO, I am already in SPRO. Then same way, logistics general. Okay, from logistics general, you come to material master again. From material master, you come to basic settings. From basic settings, this one, maintain company code for material management. This one, okay. This is the screen. How you will be able to do it. Can you see that this is SAP Germany, year 2021. We are in we are in the month of February. That so in financial year, we have already started in India. It starts from 1st April and end in 31st March, right? So if you count from April, we are in February, means the period 11. So period 11 is open for posting at the maximum 10. Okay, but this is ABP, but ABP doesn't mean Anandabajar Patrika. AB means allow back posting. Okay, DBP means don't allow back posting, means previous month posting you will not allow. So if you click here, allow back posting. If you don't click here, it will not allow you. Okay, so what we'll do here, go to position, give your company code first, enter. So you are in 2021 and your period is 11 February, enter. What is saying 2021 is not in your current year, it's an error, no problem, enter. See, 2021 period 11 and this is January. So if you click here, then you can make certain entries in adjustment entries in this 10, right? That is for allow back posting, ABP. So I am clicking here. Okay, rest of the periods are closed and then you save it. So Britannia Industries.
Sir, explain this one once again.
Now in the month of February, period is 11. You can make material management posting for the month of period 11, and if you can make certain posting in the period 10. Okay.
So any entry that is prior to 10 will be possible to
only 11.
Okay.
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 Allow back posting. Now save it. Transaction code is OMSY.
OMSY.
Okay.
Done.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, the next one is define attributes for material types. Okay. Here we are define attributes for material type. Okay, here you select whether your raw materials is a semi product raw materials or a total raw materials. So that is what we are going to configure here, right? Define attributes of material types. Now how to do it? This is saved. Let me go back. Okay. We are on the same path. We will be going to the same path, logistics general, and then we come to material master. This one, material master. Okay, and then basic settings. From basic settings, you go to material type. From basic settings till basic settings, everything is same. Okay, we're just now configure maintain company codes for material management. Now we'll enter the material types. Okay, from material types, we'll be clicking here, define attributes of material types. Click here. So you can see a lot of attributes are here. Okay, I'll show you. Go to position. The material type is ROH. This is SAP defined.
ROH means raw material.
ROH, you can see raw material. Okay. For ROH is the raw material for MS. For SD consultants, it is FERT. Finished product.
Finished product.
Okay. So what I will do here, you can create your own attributes. Okay, own material type you can create. But here I am not going to do that. It will happen inconsistency. So I'll go to position and I will take material ROH and enter. Okay, somebody has already taken this. Okay, so what I will do, I will select raw material of MTR1. Somebody has taken it in whole. Let me see if anything applies. ROH. Okay, so what I will do, I will simply select it, copy it, okay, and make it, rename it BR21. Okay, BRRW, raw material. Okay, raw material of BR21. Right? Rest as it is. Don't do anything. Enter. Okay, and then 1 minute. Okay, now this is the BRRW, right? Click here. You can see the raw materials of BR21. Okay, field is same. Now save it. Enter. Okay, now go back, select it, and click on this quantity value updating folder. Here it is. This is the folder. This is quantity value updating. Click here. So it will be open in front of you. What you will do here, you go to what happened? The position is not activated. Okay, it's not allowed. So what I will do, I will delete this. 1 minute. BRRW. Delete it. Save it. Then I'll go to position. Take ROH. Enter. Raw material. Save it. Now you select it. Quantity valuation. So you can see. Okay. ROH. Now let me come to the point. Click on position and give a valuation area. What is a valuation area?
1002, 1003, 1004.
Your valuation area is your plan. Okay, so valuation area is 1002. Enter. So you can see 1002, 1003, 1004. It's coming, and the material type is raw material. Okay. Now, how we are going to update? You can update your raw material in terms of quantity, right? You can also do it for a value update in terms of money, in terms of price. Okay.
Yes, sir.
5 mandatory, these are for oil companies. Okay, these are oil and gas companies. This is not applicable, so I'm not clicking here. I'll only take for quantity updation
and value updation.
And value updation. And I save it. Data is saved. The transaction code for this is OMS2. OMS2. Okay. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, if you are a sales and distribution person, then what you have to do? You
Sir,
have to,
the T code for define attribute of material type is OMS2, right?
yes. Okay. Now, go back, go to position, select FERT. FERT. FERT is for finished product. Okay. So what I will do, I will remove this MTR1. Somebody has made it, save it. Now you select FERT and then quantity value updation. Okay. Now these are your plan, right? 1001. Then what is the other one? 100.
1002, 1003, 1004.
Okay, okay. So go to position 1002. The valuation area is your plant. Okay. A quantity updation, value updation. Quantity, value. Quantity, value. Remember, FERT is for finished products, means cakes, bread, chips. Okay. But raw materials are potatoes, vegetable oil, flour, dry fruits. Okay. Now
Well,
save it. Clear?
yes, sir.
Any
Yes, sir. Yes.
questions? No questions, right?
No.
Okay. Any confusion? Ask me. Okay. I'll go forward then.
Not yet.
Okay. Next one.
Sir,
Yes.
as you have shown us the quantity and value update for raw materials and
Finished
finished
product.
product, and you have said that the T code is OMS2. But what I'm asking you, sir, the define we are going to the define attribute for material type. So
Background noise. Different attributes for
ये
material
तो समझ में
type.
नहीं आया ये सिराज भी आ रहा है कि कौन भी आ रहा है
Hello.
कितना पैसा हमको
sorry, I am not
लिखा हुआ है
getting
You
someone.
know, just background noise, please. Hello.
ये वाला
Hello.
पैसा बंद हो गया
Hello. Can you mute your microphone, please? Okay. Okay, Indojit, please go ahead.
Yes, you have said the define attribute for material type. So the same T code is applicable for define attribute of material type and valuation, value and quantity update, or for define attribute of material type is some other T code is existing.
No, it is in the same screen. OMS2.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Next one is set tolerance limit for price variance for purchase order. So as a material management consultant, when you are purchasing the material, there could be a fluctuation in price, right? You cannot say the price will remain static. It is always dynamic, right? Today potato is, we are purchasing 24-25 rupees kg. For Britannia Industries, they might be purchasing for the farmer directly 6-7 rupees kgs. Okay. Or if the price can go to 10 rupees, price can go down to 2 3 4 rupees, right? There will always be a fluctuation in price. So control that fluctuation in price for purchase order, because when you'll be purchasing anything, you'll be issuing the purchase order, right? Okay. So to control that price variance, we need to set tolerance limit for price variance for purchase order. Write down. Set tolerance limits for price variance for purchase order. Okay.
और एक बार सर share
Set tolerance limit.
limit
Set tolerance limit for price variance for purchase order. Okay. Okay. So this part is clear. I think Sajid has joined. Sajid, you have joined, right? Sajid? No problem. It's fine. Okay, so this is the thing now. Let me go to slash and SPRO. Enter. Reference ing. Let's go down to material management. Material management. From material management, go to purchasing. From purchasing, go to purchase order. From purchase order, set tolerance limit. Here it is. Purchase order, set tolerance limit for price variance. Set tolerance limits for price variance. The same way we do it for tolerance for customer, tolerance for vendor, tolerance for GL. So now we are setting the tolerance limit for price variance. Okay, click here. This is the screen you will get. Company code, company name. Okay, we will going to follow the SAP defined company. That is either 0001 or we'll find out 1000. 123. Enter. You can see the standard one 1000. Okay. So what we'll take? We'll first take price variance in case of purchasing. This is the tolerance key. TLKY means tolerance key. First we'll take the PE. Okay. PE is for price variance purchasing. Okay. We'll select here and then we'll copy. And then we'll change it to our company code. Enter. So it is showing now. Double click. You can see PE is the price variance for purchasing tolerance key, company code, amount. Now this is the lower limit. Lower limit. And this is lower limit you can give in valuation or you can give in percentage. Lower limit. Below. Suppose you are going to purchase potato for 20 rupees kg. So lower limit is 20%. So if it goes to 20 rupees, if it go to 20% means 4 rupees, right? It can go down to 16. So if you can give the money here in terms of rupees or in terms of percentage. Okay, if it is do not check means it is not going to check limit here. Okay, this is for the lower limit. For the upper limit, do not check because I'm not going to give in the valuing, I'm giving the percentage, lower limit. So lower limit 20% if the price goes down and upper limit 10% if the price goes up. Suppose you're buying potatoes for chips for meat industries. Clear? If you give the valuation, you don't give the percentage. Clear? Any questions?
No, sure.
Okay. Now you save it. Customization. So P, price variance at the time of purchasing. Okay. This is saved. Now let's go back. Now again go to position. I will take the reference company of SAP 1000. This is the reference company. I will take AC, maximum cash discount deduction at the time of purchasing. SE. Select here, copy here, and now you give your company code, enter. Now again you'll find it is showing, double click. See, for cash discount there is no lower limit, upper limit, only no in terms of value. Cash discount is always in terms of percentage. So there is no lower limit discount for this. So do not check. For here it is 10% for the upper limit for discount. Discount on your purchasing. From where you are purchasing, they are giving you discount. So it is tolerance limit is maximum 10%. Check limit. The system will check whether it is matching 10%. If it is okay, it will pass the entry. Okay. And if it is checks and say no, there is a difference, then it will not allow to pass the entry. Then you have to check everything and then save it. So this is about the purchasing tolerance limit for purchase order for price variance. Okay, it is always, remember, the price always vary for raw materials. It always fluctuates, right? Clear?
Sir, P for hello.
Tell me, ask me.
Sir,
PR21. Yeah. PE for price variance, AC for maximum cash discount deduction. Clear?
Yes.
Any questions?
No, sir.
Okay. Very good then. Next is plant parameters for physical inventories. Okay. For you need to have to physically check the inventory of your raw material. What is inventory? The stock. So for that you need to configure certain parameters. Okay. What are the parameters? Like suppose you are going to take admission in a college. If you go for science, they will check the what is the percentage of marks you have got. Okay. In math, science, and all those things. So those are the parameters to when you are taking admission in a college, right? Suppose, let me finish, Indrajit. Suppose you're going for an operation, doctors will check the parameters, whether your sugar level is high or low. Okay, whether you are, how is your strong is your heart. So they got a lot of tests before they go for surgery. So doctors check the parameters. Same here, it will check the parameters for physical inventory. Yes, Indrajit, tell me.
Sir, as you have explained the tolerance limit, setting tolerance limit for price variance for purchase order. So could you please tell us the T code?
T code, I don't remember. I'll give you the T code later on. Later on, ask me the T code. There is some confusion regarding T code, but if I give this T code /N OMC0 OMC0. So it is coming. So you can take it at OMC0. You can take it. OMC0. Okay.
0.
1 minute. No, don't take OMC0. 1 minute. Then /N OMR6. No, don't take this one also. OMEU/N OMEU, enter. No, don't take it. I'll give it. Just let me remember me when you just. I'll check and I will find it out. Okay, so after that we're going to go to plant parameters. I've already discussed what is plant parameters. Any? Okay, so you have to check certain parameters. SPRO. Okay. So SPRO, material management, then inventory management and physical inventory. Okay, this one, physical inventory management and physical inventory. This one, click here. Okay, and then you have to activate the plant parameters for inventory. So these are the lot of companies are there. So what we'll take, we will take this one, 1000. Let me check the 1000 plant. This is the SAP recommended one, 1000, the ideal one. Select it. Copy it. Change it. Okay, what is your plant? Tell me the plant.
1002, 1003, and 1004.
1002. Okay, enter. Now double click here. 102 Atala plant. These are all the goods movement type, all SAP recovery. Don't touch any of this configuration. These are the ideal configurations given here. If there's any changes, you need to change. This is for physical inventory, stock type, alternate unit, all these things here. Go, movement allowed, reservation, days of movement, 10T, retention period, 30 days, all these things are there, right? So this is the ideal configuration. Save it. The same way I have to do the same parameters for the other two plans also, right? Again, go to position or go to position, keep 1000, enter, and then select, copy, make it 1003, and then enter. 1003 has come. Okay, Mumbai factory, again, save it, go back, again, go to position, give 1000, 123, enter, select it, copy it, change it, 1004, enter. So Rachi plan, same configuration, same. Okay, transaction code for this OLMB. OLMB. Okay, now let us check. Suppose if we try to go and create the purchase order AV21N. See, now you can see the screen here. Okay, standard, there are a lot of PO type is there. We'll go for standard PO. Now you have the purchase organization. What is your purchase organization? You can see your purchase organization now. A, B, 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 B. What is it? Purchase organization. Then you can see company code. You can give BR21. Enter. It will ask for purchasing group, right? What is our BRG is our purchasing group. Enter. Okay. Now it will ask for vendor. We have not created a vendor. Do you remember? We haven't created any vendor because we did not have the purchasing group. That is why we could not create the vendor, right? So yesterday class when I was showing you what is the transaction code for creating vendor /n xk01. Enter. It will ask for purchase organization, right? So what does it give? You give the company code BR21. Then you keep a purchasing organization. It is also BR21. And then the account group. What is the account group? I take it as BRV1, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And then you enter. So now you can create your vendor. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Now you can create your vendor because purchase organization was not there yesterday. So now I have the purchase organization, even though I'll not be able to create because when you're purchasing materials, you need to have a reconciliation account because it will ask for reconciliation account immediately when I will go start here configuring all those things. So I have to create a reconciliation account. What is a reconciliation account? It is the GL account, which is called sundry creditors. So when you purchase from materials from any vendor, it will be recorded in that GL account. Okay, and that GL account is being created by the finance consultant. Okay, in my next class, I will create that this reconciliation account and I'll show you how to create the vendors. Okay, so whatever I have done till now, is it clear, understandable to all of you? Any confusion?
No, sir.
No, sir. Right now there is no any kind of confusion. We will practice it, and if we get any kind of issues, definitely I will let you know.